Hey guys, in this video, just to show you exactly about 2 and 4, I want to show you what I have seen after years and years of working with students, the 5 most common mistakes that students have with 2 and 4 and how to avoid them. Ready? So the 5 most common mistakes with 2 and 4. Mistake number 1 is this. If you look carefully, you can pause the video now and you can read and check. What is the mistake? I want buy. I need go. I would like see. I'm going call them. Can you see the mistake? Is that English in the infinitive is to plus the verb, right? That we use after I want, I need, I would like, and I'm going. We will always use to and the verb. A lot of different languages, you don't have this system. For a lot of different languages, the infinitive is just one word, so be very, very careful to never forget it when you're using it with want, need, would like, and going. Now, when we have the modal verbs, what we call the modal verbs are can, must, will, should, could, would, might, and may, okay? Now, this is the classic example. I can do it. This is the correct version. But a lot of people, they learn the infinitive and then they forget when they're using can, they say I can to do it. And this is completely incorrect. I can do it. Or here, for example, it's can do, must do, will do, should do, could do, etc. And you can't use to in any case here at all. You will never have to with any of these verbs. Got it? Another one here is the mistake about using for and a place. Because to go for a party, to go for Italy, what you need to remember is that to is about direction and it's about movement, right? So with the verb for example, it'll always be go to a party, to go to Italy. Never for in the sense of direction, okay? Mistake number 3 is when people put the word for in front of a verb. Look here carefully. Pause the video and read. Can you see the mistake? I need money for buy a new phone. We went there for meet our friends. What's the mistake? Now, here the idea is that you're explaining why, what reason, or what purpose. And a lot of other languages, they put for, or the same word in translation, in front of the verb to explain why I'm doing this. I need money. Why? For buy. No. It needs to be to buy a new phone. All right? So when you want to explain why you were doing something, okay, I am studying this course. Why? I am studying this course to improve my English, okay? So you can't put for in front of the verb, not in this way. Mistake number 4 is the difference between it's important for me and it's important to me. Now, what's really important to remember is that they are both grammatically correct. We can say both. It's important for me and it's important to me. Now, the little difference, or another example is it's crazy for me or it's crazy to me. Now, you need to be careful here. When you're using for me, it's something that affects me directly. It has clear consequences in my life. It's really part of my experience. And when you talk about it's important to me, it's the idea of it seems it's my opinion. It does not affect me directly, but it's what I think. It's my opinion about something. Another one here is this classic mistake. We had a very long meeting and for this, I was really late. Now, can you see the mistake? Can you see the problem? For is not because of. When a lot of different languages, they will use the translation of for sort of as an explanation why. It's because of. For this problem, I was really late. But really, it's because of this problem, I was really late. Okay? So be careful with that. Alright guys, so those were the 5 most common mistakes with 2 and 4 so that you can really start to use it correctly and use it in the right way. In the next video, I want to show you the little secrets about what happens to the word to when native speakers speak quickly. We have seen this a lot in the course, but I want to explain it more clearly and in more detail about how to can become ta. See you there guys.